Really excited to show you this one of the best made farmhouses in South Delhi. 1000 square yard. This is a very rare option. पूरे साउथ दिल्ली के अंदर इस समय 1000 गज का रेडी टू मूव फार्म हाउस अवेलेबल ही नहीं है. And this farmhouse has been built to the highest grade of construction quality. Very well done planning. So in this farmhouse, you get 11,000 square feet built up area, 5 super spacious bedrooms. And do not skip the video because I'll be showing you something जो आपने आज तक किसी फार्म हाउस में देखा ही नहीं होगा. The best part about this farmhouse is the planning. The way this has been designed, you almost feel that you are in a bigger estate, a bigger farm. क्योंकि 1000 square yard के अंदर इस तरह की intrinsic planning करना that you have a square shaped lawn. In fact, a pretty good set of lawn, and you also have a private swimming pool. Let me show you the swimming pool area first, then I'll take you inside this beautiful farmhouse. The size of this farmhouse is 1000 square yard, but जो features, जो amenities, जो प्लानिंग इसके अंदर करी है वो किसी भी बड़े फार्म हाउस से कम नहीं है. यू हैव अ प्राइवेट स्विमिंग पूल विद अ डेक एरिया ओवर हियर. एंड द गुड पार्ट, दे हैव प्रिजर्व्ड जो ये बहुत पुराने पेड़ हैं. सो वी हैव दिस ट्री, दैट ट्री, दैट ट्री. सो दैट्स द ब्यूटी. अगर आप एक फार्म हाउस ले रहे हैं और उसके अंदर आपको फुली ग्रोन ट्रीज ना मिले तो एक फार्म हाउस का मज़ा ही क्या है. सो दे हैव प्रिजर्व दीज ट्रीज सो दैट इसकी जो लैंडस्केपिंग है, ब्यूटी है, वो मेंटेन रहे. अ वेरी वेल प्लान्ड फार्म हाउस. Along with this farmhouse, you get a private driveway. So almost 3-4 गाड़ियाँ आप easily इसके अंदर पार्क कर सकते हैं. In fact, अगर आप चाहो तो एक शेड भी क्रिएट कर सकते हो अगर आप गाड़ियों को कवर करना चाहते हो. And you also get a guard room along with it and a motorized gate over here. This farmhouse is located in a colony, in a locality जहाँ पे जिसको कहते हैं ना almost 100% बसावट है. So there is a very good RWA over here. Lot of people are already staying here. तो इस तरह की लोकेशन पे गेटेड, सिक्योर्ड, ऐसी जगह पे एक फार्म हाउस मिलना ऑलमोस्ट नेक्स्ट टू इम्पॉसिबल है. नाउ लेट मी टेक यू इनसाइड दिस ब्यूटीफुल फार्म हाउस. द वे दे हैव डन दिस एलिवेशन, एब्सोल्युटली अमेजिंग. सो वेरी मॉडर्न. जितना सुंदर ये फार्म हाउस दिन में लगता है, रात को ये उससे और ज़्यादा सुंदर लगता है. सो लेट मी टेक यू इनसाइड फ्रॉम द मेन एंट्रेंस. So this is the main entrance of your home. They have given these solid looking doors over here, so which looks very amazing. Also, they provide ample security also, if you have to lock your house. So these are super solid doors over here. You have a double height entrance over here with such amazing light fixtures. So as soon as some guest enters your home, they'll be in awe of the architecture that has been created over here. That's your main entrance. There is still some work going on over here, so I'll be taking you inside from the living room entrance. They've also installed CCTV cameras so that this house would remain safe throughout. That's the entrance जो आपको living room से मिलती है. Now this is your main living room area. You can simply enter this farmhouse from the living room also, and similarly living room से आप you can simply step out to your main lawn area also. A super sized living room area. आप साउथ दिल्ली के बड़े से बड़े अपार्टमेंट को भी अगर देख लोगे, चाहे 1000 या 1200 गज का भी अपार्टमेंट देख लोगे, आपको इस साइज का लिविंग रूम नहीं मिलेगा. एंड इट हैज़ बीन डन रियली वेल. सो देव गिवन ऑलमोस्ट लाइक अ 12-13 feet height over here. That brings a lot of natural light and ventilation. They have also given this area for the bar counter, so you can entertain your family and guests over here. What an amazing concept. Throughout this farmhouse, they have given all ductable VRV aircon. They've also given these big windows जिससे कि बहुत सारी natural light और ventilation इस घर के अंदर आती है. And one of the highlight of this farmhouse is the light fixtures they have given. So this is actually enhancing the look and feel of it. So when you enter from the main entrance, you have this another area. Just look at the kind of the light fixture they have given. This is one of the costliest item that has been used in this farmhouse. And to enhance the look of it, cladding they have done in the flooring over here. A stunning looking feature wall over here with ambient lighting. So certainly इस farm house को लेने के बाद आपको कुछ भी इंटीरियर का वर्क नहीं कराना. It is absolutely loaded to the next level. So that's your PDR, the guest washroom. Very strategically placed, a good size of PDR. All the European stones have been used to design the look of it. So इसकी जो लोकेशन है, जो प्लेसमेंट है, that is very strategic. Someone enters, you can approach this PDR. Living room के भी पास में है. You also have a dedicated mandir space over here. So that's the mandir space. Again, a good size of mandir space over here. That's your internal private lift over here. Usually हम लोग देखते हैं कि Indian lifts use करते हैं, but you have the top model of Chandelier. A glass door internal lift has been used over here. Over here we have the kitchen. आप साउथ दिल्ली का बड़े से बड़ा अपार्टमेंट देख लो, बट आपको इस साइज की किचन नहीं मिलेगी जो आपको इस फार्म हाउस के अंदर किचन का जो लुक एंड फील, जो साइज आपको मिल रहा है. सो दे हैव ऑल्सो गिवन दिस आयरन टॉप ओवर हियर. जितनी भी फिटिंग्स हैं, these are super high end fittings. Bosch की सारी fittings है. You have a chimney hob over here. That's your veggie washer over here, and lot of storage you get in this farmhouse. Apart from this, you also have this segregated dirty kitchen area. To access this area, अगर किसी को आपके servants को घर के अंदर से नहीं आना, so they can also approach this area from the outside also. They've given one more area. Now this is a storage space, almost like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. आपको 8 डोर का एक स्टोरेज स्पेस मिलता है यहाँ पे टू स्टोर ऑल योर किचन एसेसरीज. यू नो, व्हेन यू बाय अ हाउस दिस बिग, यू एक्चुअली नीड दीज एरियाज. अगर ये एरियाज नहीं हो तो आपके जो लिविंग है वो क्रैम्प हो जाती है. वेरी वेरी थॉटफुली डिज़ाइन. हमने इससे पहले लिविंग रूम देखा था, बट उस लिविंग रूम के अलावा दे हैव ऑल्सो गिवन अ सेग्रीगेटेड डाइनिंग स्पेस एब्सोल्युटली नेक्स्ट टू द किचन. सो दिस इज योर प्राइवेट डाइनिंग स्पेस. Throughout, they've given ventilation. These are openable windows, so they've already placed these planters over here. And just look what amazing light fixtures they have used throughout to match the interiors. What a fancy looking fan they have given over here. And you can also segregate this dining space through this retractable glass door they've given. So we have in total 5 super spacious bedrooms in this farmhouse. Let me take you to the first bedroom, which is a master bedroom. So that's your first bedroom. In fact, the first bedroom is a master bedroom, and this bedroom they have designed in a way of a suite. So you have a dedicated sitting area alongside. That's the area where you can place your bed. Now it has been designed in a way that अगर आप straight away exit करना चाहते हैं or you just want to enter straight away to your master bedroom, you can also approach this foyer. That's how it has been planned. All ductable VRV air conditioning, super sized bedroom. This is a very new concept they've used. They've given us segregated lockable storage spaces. So they've given a dresser over here. Now that's your L-shaped walk-in closet. This closet has been designed to using the best materials available in the market. So very very well designed. And apart from this lockable closet area, that's your stunning bathroom. So throughout they've used different combination of European stones, very fancy looking looking glass mirror with color changing system over here. What a great looking vanity over here. Every bathroom is super spacious, having the best of the fittings. If you're someone who's looking to buy a big size duplex in Saudi Delhi, this house gives you all. So you have a private glass door lift over here, and on top of it, such a palatial looking staircase over here. The way they have designed the railing, it's such a solid classical looking railing. It is giving a character to it. In fact, stairs ke andar bhi they have used this European stone over here. One more highlight I want to show you is this chandelier, the light fixture they have given over here. That is actually enhancing the look and feel of this duplex. Now let me take you to the upper level, the first floor level. यूजली हमें जो फार्म हाउस देखने को मिलते हैं वो सिर्फ 2 लेवल होते हैं, बट वी हैव अ थर्ड लेवल इन ऑल्सो इन दिस वन. लेट मी शो यू दिस लेवल, देन आई विल टेक यू टू द थर्ड लेवल. दिस इज व्हाट अ कनेक्टेड एक्सपीरियंस मीन्स. सो यू हैव अ डबल हाइट ओवर हियर एंड सच ग्रैंड लुकिंग शैंडलियर ओवर हियर. सो इट ऑलमोस्ट फील्स कि आप एक 5 स्टार होटल के अंदर आप देख रहे हैं, 5 स्टार होटल के अंदर आ गए, बिकॉज सच ग्रैंड्योर दे हैव ट्राई टू गिव along with this beautiful looking feature wall and a connected experience. आप यहाँ से देख सकते हैं नीचे कौन खड़ा हुआ है. What an amazing concept. Now that's your another master bedroom. In fact, this is the second bedroom over here, a super sized bedroom over here. There are no closets because you have a segregated space for the closet. Just before the closet and the bathroom, they've given this very good sized dresser area. वेरी वेरी यूजफुल एंड दिस इज ऑलमोस्ट लाइक अ रूम. जितना एक 200-250 गज के घर के अंदर बेडरूम का साइज होता है, उतना बड़ा तो इस ड्रेसर का साइज है. इवन इन दिस बाथरूम यू हैव सेपरेट हिज एंड हर क्लॉजेट एरिया. व्हाट अ अमेजिंग लुकिंग क्लॉजेट एरिया दे हैव क्रिएटेड ओवर हियर On top of it, you also have this ventilation, natural light, and you can also look towards the swimming pool, the lawn over here. What an experience. These are the best in class closets. They look really good from outside also and inside also. And that's one of the master bathroom. In fact, this is one of my favorite bathroom of this house. I really love the way they have used this really unique looking European stone over here. Kohler की super luxury fittings हैं इसके अंदर. What an amazing looking glass mirror with a matching interior के साथ में vanity है. A very walkable, spacious bathroom. That's the space for your WC. In fact, this is an automatic WC over here. A standalone bathtub with its own light fixture. What a concept. And that's your shower cubicle. Usually 500-800 गज के घर के अंदर जितना बड़ा shower cubicle होता है, this is almost the double size of it. So that's about the second bedroom. Along with the second bedroom, you have a really good size of the balcony over here. It's a full length of the balcony over here. And the good part, just imagine your mornings and your evenings, you will be having this kind of experience, this view over here overlooking this grand lawn and your private swimming pool over here. Everywhere you see, all these are built up houses. So it's very difficult to get a vacant land over here. There's one more concept they've given. Along with this balcony, they've given this coffee area, this sit out area over here. You can really place a coffee table, you can make a good sitting over here. And what a beautiful looking fixture they have given. On the ceiling, they've used this wood looking material. It's a weatherproof material. This would stay throughout like this. So हमने अभी तक देखे हैं 2 bedroom. Let me show you the more areas of this house. The way they have designed it, they've used this collapsible door over here so that अगर आप अपने घर को segregate भी करना चाहते हैं, you know, there are some guests, you just want to segregate some bedrooms over here, you can very well do that. That's your family lounge area, a day room kind of area. They've also given the much needed pantry over here. In fact, a really good size of pantry over here. And that's the third bedroom. Every bedroom is super sized. हर bedroom को ऐसे देख के लगता है कि आप चाहे 500, 800, 1000 गज का अपार्टमेंट लोगे, but आपको इस साइज के bedrooms मिलना almost impossible है. You have a lockable, a dedicated storage area over here, a 10-door closet area they have given over here, and that's the kind of bathroom fittings you get. Again, a really unique looking European stone over here that's looking absolutely amazing with the best of the fittings, with a designer vanity, a good looking glass mirror with ambient lighting. By using the best of the stone over here, by using the best of the sanitary fittings from Kohler, and every bathroom they have given this automatic WC over here. What a concept. With this bedroom, there's one more area that I want to show you. You also have a dedicated service balcony over here. So, you know, just to provide some more area, अगर आप इसको इस bedroom के अंदर लेना चाहते हैं, you can simply just place a glass over here and you will have an additional area to your bedroom. So these were the 3 bedrooms. That's our 4th bedroom over here. With the 4th bedroom, you have a private balcony looking inside your home. So that's like a internal covered balcony over here. You can see that, you know, who's entering your home. In fact, यहाँ पे इन्होंने एक sky dome भी दिया है through which a lot of natural light and ventilation flows throughout the home. Even with this bedroom, they have given a lockable closet over here. So you can place your valuables, you can simply lock it, your closet, your valuables are absolutely safe and secure. So you have this L-shaped closet. Lot of storage spaces they have crafted in this 1000 square yard farmhouse. Let's see the attached washroom. With every bathroom, which is a super sized bathroom, and they have used different style of Italian stone, European stone. Again, a really stunning looking bathroom they have created. In fact, they've used 2 different stones to give a contrast. That's your WC area with an automatic WC, and this is the shower cubicle. Again, a very good size of shower cubicle over here. There is one more area that I want to show you that comes along with this bedroom. So right over here you have a dedicated store area. आप इसको strong room भी बना सकते हैं. So this is the kind of detailing they have went into crafting this amazing farmhouse. Like I said, I have a surprise for you. I have one more area that I want to show you in this farmhouse. That's the 3rd level over here. Let's go upstairs and I'll show you what's special about it. Usually with 99% farmhouses, you only get 2 levels, but this is the third level which I was talking about. So you have a covered space, you have a multi-utility room over here. This space you can use as your home office, your study, your billiards, table tennis. There are endless uses to it. You also have an additional space over here. In fact, it's a pantry. So apart from the kitchen they have given on the ground floor, you get one pantry on the first floor level, one pantry on the second floor level. So this is the kind of detailing they have went into crafting this farmhouse. So that's your fifth bedroom. Even on the second floor level, you have such a massive sized bedroom over here. This is the bathroom attached. In this bathroom, they have used this grey color European stone. Absolutely stunning. Such bathrooms are very hard to find, except if you're buying a very big apartment in Saudi, like in 800 or 1000 square yard. And even with this bedroom, you have an L shape, a full size of a lockable walk-in closet. What a concept. Usually आपको हर फार्म हाउस के अंदर स्विमिंग पूल मिल जाता है, लॉन मिल जाता है, बट वन थिंग जो आपको बिल्कुल नहीं मिलता इज अ टेरेस गार्डन. But in this farmhouse, you have best of all world. So you have a lawn, you have a private swimming pool, but also a fully decked up, a fully loaded terrace garden. So you have such a good looking planters over here. You have a Buddha statue. You have these wooden benches. The kind of view you're getting along with this. So it's a green view, a very rare view to find in South Delhi. And the location of this farmhouse, this is hardly 20 minutes away from Gurgaon. तो अगर आपका वर्क प्लेस गुड़गांव में है and you still want to stay near the vicinity of South Delhi, this is one of the best options for it. You also have a dedicated bar area, a covered gazebo space over here, and there's also they've given us full size of PDR over here, a washroom. So if you're hosting your family and friends, if you're throwing a party, that is really needed over here, because you already have a pantry inside, and that's the bathroom to service all your family and friends. A very beautifully done terrace garden. So they've given these waterproof benches, all planters. So आपको इस घर को लेने के बाद कुछ भी नहीं करना. So we have this stunning farmhouse. You just have to call South Delhi Flows. I'll meet you. I'll show you this amazing farmhouse. And please subscribe to South Delhi Flows, because we'll be bringing such amazing properties all throughout South Delhi. See you in the next one.